to My Mind First, a first aid kit for the soul. You're here to grow, you're here to change, so let's begin. So there's no easing in today. We're already moving because life doesn't hand out warm-ups. You build readiness by doing. I'm not practicing anymore, and neither should you. You've listened, you've waited. Let me say this clearly. Starting is the right. We've trained to sit still. We're trained to wait until we're sure, until we feel ready, healed and certain. But here's the thing. Psychology has a name for this trap. It's called preparatory perfectionism. It's the belief that you can't move forward until everything's just right. And that belief keeps you stuck. But here's what most people miss. The waiting, it doesn't lead to certainty. It only leads to doubt. So maybe it's time we stop asking the same old question. It's not, am I good enough yet? It's, what happens if I stop hiding and just show up as I am? So don't wait for the perfect plan. Here's what I want you to do today. Step 1, say something out loud you've been holding in. Maybe it's, I'm not okay, or I don't want to go back. Say it in the mirror. Say it to yourself. Whisper it in the car. Scribble it in a notebook and read it back. It's not about shouting. It's about getting real. Step 2, break your rhythm. Do something different on purpose. Walk a route you never take. Switch your phone to grayscale for a day. Something as simple as that. Wash up while blasting music. Eat breakfast for dinner. Simple. Something simple. But you've got to interrupt the pattern that keeps you passive. You've got to give your brain a small jolt. Okay? Step 3. Speak this line out loud. I'm not trying to become someone else. I'm cutting through the hesitation that's been holding back who I really am. And say it like you mean it. Even if you don't yet believe it. You will. These aren't self-help hacks. They're real-world switches. And sometimes flipping one is enough to restart your whole system. So, short but sweet today. Let's have a recap. Readiness isn't a prerequisite. It's a side effect of action. Take action first. You become confident. You become more prepared and ready. You break hesitation by stepping through it. Don't hesitate. Do it anyway. And confidence doesn't lead the way. It follows you. Do first. Confidence comes trotting behind. Okay? So use these actions and let them carry you through today and tomorrow and the next day. This has been My Mind First. Push the positive, let go of the negative. Positive steps towards a better you and yours.